Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the bell icon at the top of the page to get notified when I post a new video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Universal Channeling. Channeling the Conscious Universe. Alignment with Source, Our Eternal Path. By Angel V. Ornedo Jr. April 14, 2021. The moment you realize you have fully aligned with the Creator, you have almost achieved our purpose in this planet. You arrived at the next destined higher vibrational frequency, a place of love, peace and harmony, a preparation for the next journey. We live on Earth to fully know what alignment really means, but it took me 3/4 of a century to understand it. Religious or ancestral beliefs taught by elders influenced us like going to heaven, Shambhala, paradise, or inner Earth, but the truth is we make our reality on how we align with Creator. Fifth step. Feelings and emotions are ways to understand alignment, how to be one with the Creator, despite the ego trying to restrain us for the physical body to survive. Feel what you desire, meditate and manifest creations faster to accelerate your intention of oneness with Creator. As a child we do anything we like, live at the moment, as we jump from tree branch to another, invincible, fearless, and unknowing that we can fall and endanger our life and limbs. From rooftops some 15 meters high, like a rice mill warehouse frame, or house, we at free fall to a pile of rice husks or sand and roll as you touch down your feet and ask kid friends to do so. I almost died after a fall from a mango tree, but the incident gave me a third eye to see unseen beings like angels, cherubim and darkness. We tie ropes to trees at nearby rivers and shout with joy as we let go of our hold, dropping to deep riversides or diving from cliffs of rock islands at the Pacific, while physical danger lurks riding boats or bankas to our destination. We walk around town on bamboo poles to look tall, or a clown unashamed of what others would say. We are the Magnificent Six on parade with 100 adventurous and weird activities done by playful kids providing instant joy, feelings of bliss, and excitement, a fast connection with Source at physicality, a life of youth we had, now retired adults scattered around the world. Adulthood, we eat dessert first before the soup, that convinced my clients to do the same. That makes me some kind of different but enjoying my life with eating habits not the societal norm. We wear men's new fashion attire or bright neckties, sometimes the reverse of established etiquette done in 5 to 6-star hotel settings, all providing little joys and happiness for self. Experience, or evolution, that is what we call it, living from the seashore or mountain caves to high-rise buildings, and lucky we built several of them using other people's money to make a living, enjoying work despite the risk. These myriad joyful and exciting experiences allow us to feel something, what Source desires us to have. We can do anything we desire by applying the right goals and motivation techniques, but beyond ego's survival, my intention is creation of employment for people, bring joy and contentment, as I believe that a sustained healthy populace will have the appropriate thinking mind that can bring ripples of goodness to humanity and the nation. I never immigrated to land of economic benefits but encouraged my siblings to live at this first world, as I feel it is my duty to humanity to do what I can in my little ways without even the financial muscle to perform it, except for the innate talent God gave all humankind, as I feel deep within that we are all one, a part of the Creator. The South Koreans have a lot of faith on themselves after 5 years of colonization being under the Japanese rule, making them killer puppet soldiers in Asia, quoting old Korean engineers I work with, but from this horrible experience they aspire to make their lives better. For archives, PH is worse, being colonized for 400 plus years by US, Dutch colonizers, 300 of which is under Spanish rule. Heard of biblical exodus of Egypt by the Hebrews, 300 years of slavery. Look at the Koreans today. It is the 4th economy, GNP, in Asia, and 10th of the world's largest economy. I happened to work with them for a decade, hopping to Seoul at times, using their credibility and funds building industrial estates and brand manufactured appliances, wireless communication and electronic products. It turned out they used me to utilize existing connections with local banks and government officials for profit, again to be better than the Japanese, with profits repatriated to South Korea. They outdo today the popular Japanese brand in sales. They play their toy cars at the workplace, enjoy weekends at resorts, while we PH citizens perform our routine work. They can combine work and play, a no-no for Filipinos. Possibly again there is that hidden connection. The key is love and joy at work, and the Koreans made it even in show business, drama and musical presentation. God guides to light or the shadows in these oddities, and learn to forgive all these happenings. I learned that the path of joy is with love, kindness, and compassion within as we align with Source. I never realized combining play with work during those times of martial law and revolutionary government of the 1970 to 1980s to 1990s that followed, decades of hard work. Worse, later we had Asian financial crisis, 1997 to 2000, 2019 pandemic. In between, two PH-elected presidents for 12 years decided not to do any infrastructure for lack of leadership skills. We should know now what is best. My father, a cathedral mass lector, call earth living hell, hammered with terrible trials, never what religion taught us. Now, we are showered with light energies from source, the sun, stars around, and the love and light from higher realm beings for us to accelerate awakening and awareness to who we are. Realize you are an expression of source, everything you want is inside, and within you, and life will be always in the flow, expanding as God willed it to be. You are divinity, a divine human presence within. You may not feel it yet at this moment, but you are. You are tasked to create anything daily, small or big things. I quote Mahatma Cosmic Logos/N. Glass and Mantra, embody multidimensional the law of oneness template. That is the merger of your soul, divinity with physical human body, and you align with source. Invoke the Supreme Creator and the light beings you pray to surround you with the flames of love, power and wisdom, and the light energies all flowing to mankind to make the shift happen. Merge divinity with the physical body and the energy of source deliberately and willingly as you invoke their assistance to embody the mold of oneness. We learned all beings, galaxies, universes are one to become whole again after separation from God. After million years we are very lucky our being alive as incarnates, and the space-time we know in this world are divinely planned to make ascension happen. The beings of universes and galaxies are watching us do it. Light and love from Angel V. Ornedo Jr. About the author, Angel teaches love, light, oneness and unity consciousness, assist with other funds to generate livelihood in industrial estates at C/me and corporations, creating jobs, as faculty member lectures and share teachings at universities and college, boards and associations. Link at ornedo@gmail.com or connect at Barnes & Noble, Libris and Amazon.com. Knowing the Infinite Creator, ebooks and articles at the net.